look at the solution. Question 1. Ade bought an item for 6,500 naira, that's the Nigerian currency, and he was granted a discount of 5%. Calculate the cash discount. Now, for number 1, our cash discount equals 5% times the amount, 6,500 naira. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. So we have 65 naira times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. We write it down. We are carrying 2. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus the 2 carried will give us 32. So this is our cash discount. Our cash discount is 325 naira. So the net cash payment by a day will be the total amount 65 minus the cash discount 325. Now 6,005, if you subtract it from 325, you will have, you borrow 1 here 10, now borrow 1 here 10. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. Let's write it down. Remember, we borrowed 1 here when this one was 10, and now this one is 9 now. Now this 9 minus 2 will give us 7. Now from this 5 we have borrowed 1, so we have 4 left. 4 minus 3 will give us 1. Then there is 6 here. This will give us. So if you subtract 325 naira from 6,005, you will have 6,175. That is the net cash payment by a day, while the cash discount is 325. We need it for our 3-column cash book, which we are going to see. Then, also in the course of this term, we are going to see subsidiary books. We did it last time. We are going to see subsidiary books, talking about sales journal, purchases journal. I thought we have done it in the past. But let's look at the calculation here, because we are on how to calculate discount. Now, how do you calculate our trade discount? Let's read the question. Abiola and Sons Limited bought the following product on credit: 20 crates of Coca-Cola at 950 per crate. So trade discount, which is what we want to calculate here. Of course, I've been able to distinguish between trade discount and cash discount earlier, and I'm sure you know the basic difference. Now, trade discount, we have 20 crates times 950. 20 crate times 950 naira, because per crate. So let's multiply. 950, we have it here, times 20, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 times 2 is 10, carry 1, this is 18 plus 1, 19, 0, 0, 0. So we have 19,000. 19,000 for the first item. Then the other one says 10 cartons of fruit juice at 2,005 per carton. Of course, you agree with me. With that one, I hope you have your calculator there. 10 times 2,005. 10 times 2,005 will give us what? 25,000. True or false? Just multiply 10. Because 10 times 2,000 is 20,000. Then 500, 5,000. Add it, you have 25,000. So total amount here, 0, 0, 0 in 1,044. Total amount here is 44,000 naira. But the discount given is 2.5%. So our trade discount now, trade discount will be 2.5% is same thing as 5/2 times 1/100. 2.5 is a mixed number. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5/2. giving us an improper fraction. Percentage is times 1/100 times 1/100, showing our percentage, because percentage is over 100. Then the total amount is 44,000. So let's do a calculation. 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 here 1. 2 in 440 is 220. So have 220 naira. 220 naira multiplied by 5. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 2, 10. Carry 1. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So our trade discount is 1,100. So we can as well put this as the total amount. So trade discount is 2.5% of the total amount, which have arrived at 44,000. 2.5%, 2.5% is a mixed number. So 2 times, or mixed fraction, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5/2. It's a mixed fraction, 2.5. So we have converted from a mixed fraction into improper fraction, 5/2. 5 over what? 2. 5/2, percentage is over 100. So times 1/100 times the amount. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel 0. 2 here, what we have here is 440. 2 in 440 is 440 divided by 2 is 220. 220 times 5 will give us 1,110. That's how to calculate our trade discount. We shall see this in the course of our work this time. So I believe that this topic has launched us to the topics we are going to have subsequently in SS1 scheme of work. In our next session, armed with this knowledge, we are going to treat 3-column cash book. You can see that this knowledge will help us when we deal with our 3-column cash book in our next session. I'm glad to have you at this session, and I believe you have learned something very tangible, something worthwhile, something very relevant that we need in our next session. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next session when we shall treat 3-column cash book. Thank you so much for always hooking up. Thank you. Bye for now.